Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful star stitch. It has such a beautiful texture and is great for making blankets, scarves, or whatever you want to do. So let's get to it. For this tutorial, I'm using a super chunky yarn and a 12mm crochet hook, but you can use any yarn you want or anything you have at home to make this beautiful stitch. You're going to start by making a slip knot, and for this stitch you can work any multiple of 2 plus 3. For this tutorial I'm going to make 15 chains. Now you're going to start working in the back part or bump of the chain. So you're going to draw up a loop in the back bump of the first and second chain. There's the first loop, and there's the second chain. So you should have 3 loops on the hook. Now you're going to draw up a loop in the back bump of the next 3 chains. There's 1, 2, and the last one. So at this point you should have 6 loops on your hook, and you're going to draw through 6 loops on the hook all together. You're going to work 1 chain for the eye of the star. Now this is your star completed. You're going to draw up a loop in the eye of the star that you just made. Now you're going to work in the last leg of the star, which is that little space, and draw up a loop in the same chain of the last leg of your star. You're going to work in the next 2 chains. So draw up a loop in the next chain and draw up another loop on the following chain. You should have 6 loops on your hook. Now you're going to draw through all 6 loops on your hook and chain 1. That's the second start completed. You're now going to repeat all the previous steps until the end of your row. This is the end of the row, so you're going to work 1 half double crochet in the same chain of the star that you just made, of the last star. And this is the end of the row, and you can see I have all my stars completed. You're going to chain 1 and turn your work. For the second row, we're going to work on the eyes of the star. These are the little holes we created by chaining 1. So you're going to work 2 half double crochet into the eyes of the star. That's 1 half double crochet and a second half double crochet. You are gonna continue working 2 half double crochet into the eyes of the star until the end of your row. Working the last half double crochet of the row, and now you're going to work another half double crochet in that little space between the chains, and this is the last half double crochet of your row. This is going to be the wrong side of your work, and this is going to be the right side of your work. As you can see, all the stars are completed and taking shape. For the third row of your work, you're going to chain 2 and draw up a loop on the first and second chain of your work. So here's the first chain and now the second chain. So there should be 3 loops on your hook. And now you're going to draw up a loop on the next stitch. So that would be the first stitch, now the second, and the third stitch from the previous row. And again, you should have 6 loops on your hook. And you're going to draw through all of 6 loops and change 1. And that's the first star created. You're going to continue working along the row, creating the stars, repeating the same steps that we did on the first row until the end of the row. Here's the last star that I've worked on the row. So don't forget to work that half double crochet in the last leg of the star. And this is how it's looking so far. So now you're going to repeat row number 2, and you're going to change 1 and turn your work and work 2 half double crochet in the eye of the star. So here's 1 half double crochet, and this is another half double crochet, and then you continue working this way until the end of the row. Just work 1/2 double crochet in that last chain. Don't forget about it. And that's it. You will continue working, repeating rows number 2 and number 3 until you get the length that you want. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I will be sharing new projects soon, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Bye!